Okay, this how-to video is going to describe how to use the Altium Schematic Translator that's available now inside OrCAD Capture. So under the file, import Altium Schematic, we've obviously got the translator that we can run here. There's a really useful help PDF that will go through step by step what we need to do. Some of the key parts is obviously the prerequisite. We need to make sure that the schematic has been translated to an ASCII schematic, which you can do from obviously inside the Altium tools. We also need to make sure that we do a valid proj PCB file and a proj PCB structure, which kind of references the correct locations of all the schematic.docs. So from a schematic point of view, it builds the schematic in the right order and uses the right linking. Once we have that, we can browse to our working directory. So obviously these are all my ASCII schematic files. If I just send this to a text editor, you get the general idea that this is an ASCII file, so they must be translated into this for the translator to work. And the same for the proj PCB file. This obviously has to reference those files that we've translated, so the names that we have here are referenced in here and also in the proj PCB structure. So once we have the right format of files, we can browse to the project file, give it an output directory, and then we click on translate. So once complete, we can either look at the log file if you wish, but we've just closed that off, and then we can just go and open the design, go to my working directory, there's the .dsn file, we'll create a standard capture project, we can save the design, and then if we go to page 1, there's obviously all the hierarchical blocks. We can obviously click and descend into the hierarchical blocks to TR schematic. We're going to ascend the hierarchy, and let's go and look at the SRAM as well, and there's the SRAM example.